Welcome back to Everything Science. Today, we're about to embark on another mind-blowing episode of our Journey into the Cosmos series. Imagine a robot exploring a desolate, alien world, zapping rocks with lasers, singing happy birthday to itself, and hunting for signs of ancient life. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. This is the Mars Rover. But here's the kicker. There's way more to these rovers than you've ever heard. What if I told you they're discovering clues that could change how we think about life beyond Earth? Or that they're paving the way for humans to one day set foot on Mars? Curious yet? Stay tuned, because we're about to reveal 10 crazy facts you didn't know about the Mars Rover. And trust me, some of these will blow your mind. You probably didn't know this, but NASA's Mars rovers are basically marathon runners on another planet. Opportunity, one of NASA's most famous rovers, set a record by traveling over 45 kilometers on the Martian surface. That's further than any other rover or robot on another planet. And just to give you perspective, that's more than an Olympic marathon. Imagine this, a robot that shoots lasers. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's real. Both the Curiosity and Perseverance rovers are equipped with an advanced tool called ChemCam and SuperCam, respectively. These high-tech instruments use lasers to zap rocks from up to 7 meters, 23 feet away. But this isn't just for fun. This laser vaporizes a tiny portion of the rock, creating a plasma cloud that the rover's cameras and sensors can analyze. Why zap rocks, you ask? Well, this laser blast reveals the rock's chemical composition without the rover even needing to touch it. It's like having a portable laboratory. The data from these zaps tell scientists what elements are present in the rock, which helps us understand whether Mars ever had conditions suitable for life. What's even cooler is how precise these lasers are. They can analyze millimeter-sized targets with pinpoint accuracy. So when Curiosity or Perseverance zap a rock, they're not just randomly blasting the surface. They're specifically targeting areas that look like they might contain valuable clues, like signs of organic molecules, which are key ingredients for life. Here's another wild fact. These laser zaps have been used to discover some of the building blocks of life on Mars, like carbon compounds, proving that the planet once had the ingredients needed for life. And if we ever find ancient microbial life on Mars, it might just be thanks to these laser-wielding rovers. Did you know the Perseverance rover has a companion? That's right, it's called Ingenuity, a small helicopter that became the first aircraft to ever make a powered flight on another planet. This tiny flying sidekick is exploring areas that would be tough for the rover to reach, like steep cliffs and tricky terrain. How cool is that? Curiosity isn't just a workhorse, it's also a bit of a singer. Believe it or not, the Curiosity rover sings happy birthday to itself every year on its landing anniversary. NASA engineers programmed it to vibrate its soil analysis tool to produce the tune. Now, that's one lonely birthday party. This one's a bit out of this world. Literally, the Mars rovers don't rely on solar energy alone. Curiosity and Perseverance are actually powered by plutonium, which provides a steady source of electricity through the heat it generates. So no worries about Martian dust storms blocking solar panels. These rovers keep rolling even in the worst Martian weather. The Mars rover's eyes are sharper than humans. Curiosity and Perseverance have cameras capable of seeing in 3D and color, and they can spot objects as small as a grain of sand from a distance. In total, Perseverance has a whopping 23 cameras, while Curiosity has 17. These rovers are seeing Mars in more detail than any human ever has. The Mars rovers are designed to last a long time. In fact, Opportunity was only expected to operate for 90 days, but it worked for 15 years. Imagine if our phones or laptops lasted that long. These rovers are engineered to withstand Mars' extreme conditions, from freezing temperatures to massive dust storms, and who knows, they might still be exploring when we're long gone. Both Curiosity and Perseverance carry time capsules of sorts. The rovers have tiny bits of earthly history on them. Curiosity has a piece of Earth's oldest known rock, while Perseverance carries microchips with the names of nearly 11 million Earthlings. Talk about leaving your mark on Mars. The Perseverance rover is more than just exploring Mars. It's actively hunting for signs of ancient life. One of its primary missions is to collect and store rock samples that could contain traces of ancient Martian life. These samples will eventually be returned to Earth for analysis, marking the first time material from Mars could be studied in our labs. Finally, here's the mind-blowing one. The Mars Rovers are paving the way for human colonization of Mars. Everything these robotic explorers discover helps scientists plan for human missions. From analyzing water sources to understanding soil composition, the rovers are making sure that one day, humans might actually live on the red planet. Mars City, here we come! And there you have it, 10 crazy facts you probably didn't know about the Mars Rovers. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the cosmos. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Everything Science, and click the bell icon so you never miss an episode of our Journey into the Cosmos series. We've got plenty more exciting space adventures coming your way. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.